Hello, welcome to our channel. So, who are watching first time videos, please watch carefully each and every step. If it is repeated or anything, we can understanding purpose. How we can start SEO on page, I upload the new content on your particular web page. First of all, any website will be two process. If I'm any kind of website will be searching on Google anywhere, if my website will be to showing top position, that is our credits. So any content you're posting time, SEO on page main factors. Your structure, SEO title, description, keyword, and anchor text, alt tag, header tag. Anchor text is the different method, but compulsory you can using for alt tag, header tag, and canonical URL. This all will be compulsory mandatory field. First of all, I can use select the one content along with image. So my URL structure will be here. CCTV data and installation service in Hyderabad. Copy. I'm selecting my website. I can selecting for my blog, add blog option. Click this, add my content. After that, image uploading time very careful to watch. What are the title you mentioned? Same will be using for your image name. Yes or no? What are the image you are using on website? Same image name you can use. Go to here. Where is our exact image? You can go to this. So here is the image. The image already we can watch. CCTV dealers instant service in Hyderabad. Rename. Here is the copy this option. Same title. After this one, CCTV dealers near me. So compulsory, what are the keywords we can utilize that we'll be using for near me is a compulsory keyword. Near me Kukatpalli, near me Bachpalli. What are the location you are using in Hyderabad? Compulsory title will be near me compulsory important. First your location here. Suppose you can add in Kukatpalli. Kukatpalli Hyderabad. CC dealers in Kukatpalli. Anybody searching nearby, what is the keyword? The keyword will be searching through voice also. The website will show into the Google top position. So compulsory near me keyword, compulsory utilize on your particular title. That is a compulsory important. After this one, same keyword, copy, search on Google first. That is called I can know about the SEO description, how people will be using. See here, CCTV installation services, find a camera installation services, CCTV setup camera, security camera installation services, number of things are here. We can utilize here. But now, same I'm using here, comma. So in this, what are the service we are providing here? That is called our brands. So what are the brand we are providing? CCTV camera dealers and installation services. Our CCTV brands will be CP Plus, HK Vision. This all will be our brandings. What we can go? Our CCTV brands. What reason I'm adding for brands? If we go to the notepad, so why we can adding these brands? Anybody searching for HK Vision CCTV dealer in Hyderabad, they can show my website will be blog position. Why? People searching for dealers something, but what are the dealing you have done the projects? HK Vision, CP Plus, Duva, Honeywell, Trama, ESSL. So this all will be completely using for this particular option. So that is called we can adding for these brands. Simple logic that we can use for the particular position. So yeah. Only one thing remember, what is the motto for your particular website that will be utilized here. Simple. What is it? Is it clear? Same. As is copy description, paste on your keyword. First one, title done. Next, description done. What are the description? First, you prepare notepad. After, you can convert into the Word document, add your bullets, and every points will be here. After that, add your title, description, keyword, click for submit. After submit, we can check blocks. Our content will be represent will be properly done. Now open this option. What are the major you can check? Our title, description, and keyword. Click for Control U. First step. In the first step, what are we writing for title? Perfectly done. Next, description done. And keyword done. Yes or no? This all will be done. After this one, what are we again checking for? Control F, Alt is equal. So this will be our logo option. But I'm already image is added. Yes or no? We can go to this, but that particular image. See this image. Yeah. This is the image. Yes or no? What are image name will be here? What are the title what mentioned? Same will be image name. How to know? Image alt is equal. Compulsory will be mentioned. It is will be failure. What will happen? When people will be search your image on Google, they can't show to the search engine list. The compulsory follow this information. Is it clear? This method compulsory you can follow and index the particular one. So it will be done. Next one, H1 tag. Same name, we can should use the H1 tag option. Same name will should H1 tag is a yes or no? What is our title? CCTV camera dealers installation service in Hyderabad. Same name we have to using for H1 tag. What is H1 tag purpose? Highlight of the keyword. In total page, we can using for highlight of the keyword. So that is we can using the name. So in our if you go any company anywhere, what is the main assumption? H1 tag is there or not? First your option will check. Alt tag is there or not? You can check it out. That is your task. And next option will be canonical URL. So how to check? Control F, canonical. There are not here. So canonical URL, how to find out? Is it correct or wrong? What are the URL will be there? Same URL we can using for canonical URL. See, same URL canonical or not? In the canonical URL, suppose this is a page is showing for home page URL is wrong. What are the page is there? Same URL we have show by the canonical URL. The compulsory important key point on your particular website. If we, for example, we can go Amazon. Okay. Take any kind of product. Okay. This is our product. Okay. Control U. Okay. Control F. Not only this, any kind of website, e-commerce, Flipkart, go anywhere website. Control F. Canonical. Control F. Yeah. Canonical. Example, click the canonical URL. Same page will open or not? This page indicates this content belongs to for this particular URL. This content belongs to for this particular URL. This is compulsory use each and every website canonical URL. So what is your task? The website proper canonical URL is there or not. If it is not available or wrong URL, inform to developer, fix it canonical URL. All tag missing, inform to developer. H1 tag missing, inform to developer. Compulsory, these three will be mandatory field to inform the developers. After this option, this next will be anchor text will be common. Anchor text will be already they will written by the other URLs. In a content also, we can add the other URLs also you can add by the particular option. For example, what we are, these are the particular brands. If anybody click this brand, they go to some services, some options are here. We can add this hyperlink option. Simple example, go to edit, careful to listen. Here, these are the our brands. Yes or no? Copy the our brand will be here. What will do? Services. Copy the URL. What is this? Hyperlink. Okay. Here, what we can important option is there. Simple target. What the target will be? New window. Target new window. Save it. Now done. Refresh. Previous any hyperlink is there? Previous? No. Now you can click. They go to where? They go to another page option. So clear? So this is the hyperlink you always creating by the read it from the one page to another page purpose. This will be very easy. You did not write any single code. In particular text, you can give any link that is called anchor link. The link name will mention by the anchor text. Is it clear? So is compulsory mandate or not? Is compulsory mandatory. Why? Because there will be called interlinking for one page to another page. Interlinking to one page to another page. So that is the we have to follow will be here. Next option, this is done. Immediately we can do option name is called search console. Which option? We can using for search console. In a search console, the option name is called URL inspection and click it. Title, description, keyword, and proper URL structure. Next one, alt tag, header tag, canonical URL, anchor text. After that, indexing, request to index. The index will be taking for 1 hour to 2 hours time or 1 minute to 2 minutes time. It will only taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes time. Based on your performance, they will take will be 1 minute to less than 2 minutes. Anytime indexing time, don't click any mouse option. We can do other works, but don't interact the your page option when you're doing indexing time. So properly mention indexing and do the particular work. And major question is called, so what is our image size? Image size you can selecting by the 1024 by 512, but very clarity purpose 1280 by 720. YouTube thumbnail image you can select it. Any image you're making purpose, the pixels are 1280 by 720. The pixel we can use and upload the image and indexing the proper using for Google Search Console. So here is that. We can using here. Done. Next. Text live URL. Number of people will be searching will be done. They can show your captcha code, or else they can't show your particular captcha code option. So right now the testing will be done. It will be properly indexed. After that, you can check what are the things you have. Check the complete files. After this finish, immediately you can start for the SEO of page. That is Google Sites, bookmarks, so many things are there. Pinterest, number of options are there that we can utilize and make it on your website will be properly done and verify it and index your links. When clicks will be happen, your website will be going to top. When clicks will be happen, your website will be going to top. Major thing is called here, everything you can check the proper option. Mobile friendly compulsory you have check. Any website you have facing mobile friendly issue, immediately can give to developer and rectify the that issue. What is the clickable element not visible or the very small content? Only mobile friendly major issue is called content. Content will be not mobile friendly. If you're showing that mobile friendly issues, immediately inform to your developers and rectify your website issues. Why? Because we are digital marketer, we don't know about the website. Any content issue, inform to developer, they rectify the problem. Suppose in admin panel, if you are changing content is possible, you can change it. What are the content prepared? First of all, notepad. After notepad to Word document, publish on the particular website. So this is the follow step SEO on page. One more important question, major important question. Any website missing for OG title, open graph. There is a visible here OG, title, URL, description, keyword. Anything missing, please inform to developer. So what is the purpose of Open Graph? Open Graph main purpose, if we are sharing for social media platforms, if we are sharing for social media platforms, this OG title will be help to show your proper title and description. And OG image, what are the image you mentioned? Same image we can show for the image SRC. So suppose I'm uploading one image, they're showing our logo is a wrong. Compulsory, this is a very important. Any website is wrong for OG image. So I'm uploading image and OG image completely wrong. This will be completely wrong option. So what are the image you are publish? Same image we can show into OG, Open Graph image. There's a compulsory mandatory field each and every website backend. So compulsory you select by the OG selected and update by the each and every website. Is that clear? This is the last point. Every website OG title, description, keyword, URL and the image. What are the image you posting? Same image reflect on the OG image SRC file. If any doubts will be there, go to cctv-service.in, control you, check this particular backend file. Which website is not available, immediately inform to developer, rectify this OG image. If you go any company, this is a major key point for search engine updation. So if any further question SEO on page, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how we can rectify each and every issues. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.